I hope you have already installed your BodyPro Analyzer. If you haven't already, please go back to the video that was sent to you by one of our reps. Go through the video, see how the machine needs to be assembled together. It's very simple and easy to put it together. Shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes to do it. Okay, so if you haven't already done it, stop this video right now, go back, assemble the video and come back and start it again. But if you have already assembled it, let's continue. Okay, let's begin. Alright, so download ActiveX Space AI app from the Play Store or the Apple App Store, and once you have downloaded it, open it, click next and select your country. Now depending on which country you have selected, you will be asked to either enter your mobile number or your email address. So enter your details. So these details will have been provided to you by your rep in ActiveX. Click on login. You will be sent an OTP either to your mobile number or your email address. Click on verify. So if you purchase BodyPro device, click on BodyPro. Alright, so now this is your gym login. Okay, so what it means is, now from this point onwards, let's say if you close this app and come back to it again, you will still be logged in as a gym admin. This is where the system knows that anyone that comes into the gym and we do the analysis for should go under this particular gym admin. Okay, once you click on scan user, it will check if you have Bluetooth and location permissions. Okay, once you enable them, then you are ready to do the analysis. Okay, so click open again, enter the phone number. So enter the phone number of the client you want to do the analysis for. So let's say I'm taking a number, login. So if this is a new number, it's going to tell you this phone number is not registered, please sign up first to proceed. Click on OK and then enter the details of this person. So I'm going to enter my details. Enter the month and year of birth. We do not need the date of birth, also because it's privacy related information. We choose not to take the day of birth, so people should also not worry about giving this information. Email address is mandatory. Okay, and just click on the checkbox to accept the privacy policy and terms of use. Click on register user. Once the user is registered successfully, we are now ready to take the reading. Once you have assembled your device, this is how it should come together. So there are three parts to it: base unit, the column, and then the handle. Handle has a magnetic base, so it will go only in one way. The magnets inside it will not allow it to sit any other way. Okay, it will only go in one direction, it won't go in the opposite direction. So please take a note of that. Now this column, I hope you have put the screws from beneath. There are 4 Allen screws that go from beneath. This is where the power button is, so I can quickly show you. This is where the power button is. Once you switch it on, the device comes on, and you don't have to keep turning it on and off. Always keep it on. It has an auto off switch and it will only turn on once you put some weight on it, only at the time of doing the measurements, right? This is also where the charging port is. Type-C charging cable is supplied with this device. Make sure you use it once the charge goes down. Okay, there is a battery indicator on the handle. I'll show you in a bit what is the charge percentage left in the device. All right, so let's turn on the machine. Okay, and I'm turning it on now. All right, turning on the device. Alright, so it will stay there If there is no measurement happening, it will automatically turn off. Okay, so this is where the battery indicator is. This is the battery indicator. Once this goes down and goes in the red, you can use the Type-C charging port provided and then charge the device. Okay, it takes 3 to 4 hours to get fully charged, and once you're fully charged, it should give you at least 80 to 90 scans. Okay, so if it takes you like 3 weeks to achieve those scans, that's perfectly fine. There is a lithium-ion battery inside it that will hold a charge for a long time. So if you're not using it, you don't really need to keep charging it. Okay, but if you're using it, it should at least give you 80 to 90 scans in one go. Design of the device is pretty portable to help you take this and do body composition analysis camp if you want to. Okay, so definitely make use of it. Do those BCA camps in offices, in corporates, as well as in apartment buildings in those townships, right? Because people are looking for this kind of information. All right, so that's about it. Now let me show you how to take your body composition analysis report. For taking the body composition analysis readings, make sure you're not wearing your shoes and socks. Need to be completely bare feet. Step on the device. Make sure your feet is equally distributed between the 4 electrodes. Particularly your heel must be on the electrode fully. That's where a small electric current is going to pass through your body, your feet as well as through your hands, and that's how we measure the impedance to this current and come at the result. Alright, once you are ready to take the reading, click on connect and step on the device. Once you step on the machine, first it will do the weight reading, and once the weight is logged, it will blink 3 times, and then that's when you lift the handle. Make sure the 4 fingers are covering the back of the back electrode, and then your thumbs are on the front electrode. Your thumbs are on the front electrode. Your position, your hand position is about your shoulder height. Okay, just below your shoulder is also fine, around your heart height is fine. Once the analysis is complete, the device will turn off automatically. Put the handle back in its place and step off the scale. Alright, so that's how you take the readings on your body composition analyzer. So we just completed the first part of the training, which is how to take the analysis on your BodyPro BCA machine.